Alright, so you are turning 7 now. Alright, so since you are celebrating your 7th celebration, do you have any birthday wish? Maybe your wish will be granted. Or what do you want to become someday when you grow up? You want to become a basketball player, NBA, what?
Basketball player.
Alright, so famous like Michael Jordan, okay? Alright, so since we're celebrating the 7th celebrations of JM, it's time now to count 1 up to 7, and of course, JM, you need to blow your candle cake. So let's begin in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go! Yay! Happy birthday, JM! Oh, parang naging malungkot. Alright, so this is special celebration will not be possible without the wishes of the parents and of course the ate of JM. But before you will give your message or wishes to JM namin, sir, what do you want to tell first to all of your valued guests because they are here tonight to celebrate with your son?
Hello po. Good evening to all of you. Thank you so much po for coming, for celebrating with us. Maraming salamat po. My wish for you, JM, I hope you grow up with a good attitude and always praise God. Don't forget always to thank God and good health for you, baby. Love you.
Maraming salamat po sa mga pumunta. Thank you for coming. And JM, be a good boy and study hard. Okay?
I thank you for everyone for coming po. I'm glad that JM enjoyed during his birthday today. And JM, I wish you the happiest day since it's your birthday. And yeah.
What do you want to tell to your mom, your dad, and of course your sister?
Love you.
Alright, so before we will end this special celebration, we Burger King also have a birthday wish to JM. Alright, so JM, if you want to become a famous basketball player or whatever you want to become someday, all you have to do is to study hard to achieve your dream in life. So whatever you want to become someday, you will achieve it. And of course, for us, the most important thing is your good health. May you have a blissful, a fruitful, a happiness, and a successful in life. And always be a good boy to your friends, to your parents, and always obey your parents. Always obey your parents, okay? And may you have a blissful, a happy birthday and more birthdays to come. So happy birthday, JM. So once again, let's shout happy birthday, JM!
Happy birthday, JM!
Alright, so happy birthday, JM. So once again, in behalf of Burger King, we would like to thank all of you for giving us spectacular to celebrate its 7th birthday of JM. So I hope all of you are happy with this spectacular celebrations. And once again, shukran, thank you so much, ma'am, and sir, for choosing us to be part of this very significant day of Christmas. So I hope all of your